Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are unboxing the 2024 Liberty Box. So if you are new to Liberty Boxes or you don't know what they are annual boxes put out by Fat Quarter Shop, and of course they are patriotic themed. We're gonna go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this box. I'm not sure if they have any left at the time of filming this video, but it's definitely worth checking out over at Fat Quarter Shop to see because these boxes are always full of goodies. The boxes retail for $62.98. At the end of this video, I will add everything up and we'll see what kind of value we got. I will also put a link on where you can get that box below. It is an affiliate link for me, so if you purchase through that affiliate link, I do get just a tiny little kickback, so it's very helpful for me, but it doesn't cost you anything. So thanks in advance if you purchase through my link. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this year's box. So inside, like most of their boxes, they have a little insert in here, and then there's free shipping on your order of $30 or more, which is super nice. And I think they offer free shipping if you order over $100 just all the time. Okay, we are going to just dive right in with our first little item here, and that is this True Blue ruler handle. This values at $9.98, and it says the True Blue ruler handle is a small but mighty in the sewing room. Get an easy grip on your quilting rulers with this handy notion. Flip the handle open, press it down on the center of your quilting ruler, and then close the handle to secure it. With a firm hold on your ruler, your hands and wrists will enjoy newfound freedom. So here's a little handle they're talking about. Put it on your ruler, and then you just close it up. Let's try it out. All right, this is a small ruler, but we're just gonna try it out. So I've just got it on there and then, wait, did I do that right? Maybe you're supposed to open the ruler. Wait, what? Maybe I need to push down on the table, hold on. Okay, there we go. You do have to kind of be doing it down on a table. I can't just do it right here on camera. So anyways, there you go. So then you can hold this ruler and cut along it. It does kind of get your fingers out of the way. I've never actually really been a fan of using these. I usually use the, I don't know what you call it, where you put all your fingers on it. And then I usually have my pinky like kind of next to it or something like that to help stabilize it. But I mean, I could see how that would be easy. You kind of can hold on to this. So there you go. I don't know if I would use this a whole lot or not. It is like when I press down on the table here, it is kind of a nice grip. It's got a couple little places for your fingers. So I could see how this would be nice and sturdy, and then also it kind of keeps your fingers out of the way as well. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this little gadget. Do you have these? Have you ever tried them? Do you actually use them, or is it just like another one of those little extra gadgets in your sewing room that you never really reach for? All right, the next thing we have is kind of a little twofer here. It's a little star hanger and then a little baby star pattern that you can hang from it. So this one finishes at 6.5 by 6.5. So the little hanger item here is just only about 7.5 inches, 8 inches long. So here's what it looks like, and it comes with little screws, and then you would just hang your little mini block right off of here. And then here's a picture of what that will look like. The 3-star fabric holder values at $14.48, and it says this star-topped wire holder is an excellent or elegant way to flaunt your favorite fabrics and small blocks. Simply mount the holder with the included screws, then fold fabric over the rod or slip it into a sleeve for a darling display. See the sparkler star block pattern in this box for one excellent example. And I think it does come with 2 screws, so you would put a screw here and here. Honestly, I think I would probably just use a little straight pin. This isn't very heavy. Straight pins make way less holes in your wall, a lot easier to move around, and this is so light that I don't think you really need like the 2 full-on screws. So if I'm going to be hanging this up, that's probably what I would do. All right, the next thing in our box here is the Liberty Box kitchen towel. This value is at $9.98, and it says this kitchen towel belongs in the home of the brave. Decorated with bright stars and bold blooms, the waffle weave microfiber towel is handy for quick cleanups, easy to wash, and will add sparkle to your decor. So let's take a look. So this is a really good size. It's 31 by 18. So it's a really good size towel. It feels nice and thick, and it does have that microfiber feel. You know, the other thing I feel like this would be good for is drying off your car after you wash your car, because it's nice and thick, and you know, it's the microfiber, so it doesn't have all the little lints on it. So very cool. The next thing we have in our box is the Sparklers quilt pattern, and this finishes at 58 by 70, and it looks like you just need an Old Glory Fat Quarter bundle, some half triangle paper, I'll show you in a second, and then a little bit extra for background borders and accent and binding. So this pattern retails at $9.98, and there are limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop as well. It says the Sparklers quilt pattern is a wonderful way to celebrate the land that we love. Pinwheels and stripes stand beside a brilliant panel for a quick quilt that can be easily displayed in parades as well as on your couch. It does say they have limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop as well, and this Land of Liberty center here is just a panel, and then you just have to do some pinwheels and stripes around the outside of it, so super fast and easy to put together. So the next thing in our box are these triangles on a roll, and they are meant to be used with the pattern in this month's box. And these are again by It's So Em. I'm sure you've seen them on the Fat Quarter Shop videos. And it says, let's see, they retail for $8.74, and it says triangles on a roll, a grand old favorite notion. This star-spangled edition of 3-inch triangles on a roll paper is perfect to try out on the paper and a perfect aid for the sparkler quilt pattern included in this box. So I haven't actually used these. I need to try these. Every time I get one in my box, I say I'm going to try them. A lot of times I end up giving them away. So let me know in the comments below if you've tried these, if you like them, are they necessary? Usually when I'm doing half square triangles, I just make my original blocks a little bigger. That way when I sew them, I can just trim them down and so they're still accurate. But I've seen Kimberly use these on their videos as well, and they do look like they're really easy. I just have never used them. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this product. All right, and then now is the fun part, the fabric. This fabric is Old Glory by Lella Boutique. And here is the bundle. So there are a few things in here, and I will open up and show you everything, but let's go ahead and read it first. This is valuing at $40. And it says, we are starstruck with the softness and strength of the Old Glory fabric collection from Lella Boutique for Moda. The combination of faded florals, stars, ticking stripes, and pin dots in rich reds, soft blues, and peaceful grays makes this line a true classic. This set of 5 fat quarters showcases the range of colors and prints with the addition of a stunning panel, bringing them together in perfect unity. And then the bonus pattern from this right here, I forgot to mention, was $4.48. So those kind of came, that pattern came as a bonus to our little fat quarter bundle here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the colors. So first we have this red floral. We've got another red, like tiny floral. We've got some stripes, a little blue geometric, and then we've got the blue stars. I think this would be a really fun binding. Actually, so would this one. And then here, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit it all on camera, but here is the panel. Let's see how much I can fit. It says, Sweet Land of Liberty. And it's just that big panel. And then, like I said, you do the outside edges, which were just those stripes and pinwheels to finish us off. So this would be a really fast wall hanging to add to your home for this season. Okay, so that's everything that came in my box. I did add it up. The retail value is $97.64. Again, those boxes were about $63. So $97.64 is not too bad for your box value. So I think my favorite thing from this box is gonna be this cute pattern and our little fabric sample pack right here. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite product from this year's Liberty box is. And also let me know, do you guys get the Liberty boxes? Is it something that you're interested in, or is it like a little bit too expensive? They are more expensive than the regular boxes, so I'm just curious to know what you guys think overall about those Liberty boxes. I'm usually pretty happy with everything that comes in them. There's always some fun, unusual notions in there. Like I really like this little star wall hanging. I think I'll for sure have to do that because that would be just such a cute little thing to display, maybe by like my front door or something like for July. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That really helps me out, and then you can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Whatever. Okay, I'll be out in like, yes, I'll just be out in a couple seconds.
You weren't talking.
I was taking a breath.